Bird Bros. Bird Bros. Bird Bros.
Bird Bros here in Tobermory, Ontario.
Tobermory is a peninsula between
Georgian Bay
and Lake Huron.
Oh, is that a little turtle?
Got a baby snapping turtle here. The spikes on its back, the spikes on its shell help tell it that it's a snapping turtle. And other snapping turtles know that because they see it. And this guy here is just a little baby, just a little baby. And that long tail there, so cool. What a good guy. We're gonna let him go.
Saving turtles, one shell at a time.
Whoop, whoop. On the road again. I just can't wait to get
I have that song.
Oh, we stopped on the side of the road here. What do we have?
Birds!
We got a pair of sandhill cranes. Yeah.
They got the red crown, the grayish back, and that like white underside.
They've got this pompous look to them.
We got some sandhill cranes in the field behind us. Just random birds, you know. See them all the time, but like nice to videotape and look at. These guys are kind of bored, but like we love the birds, not them.
On our way to the Devil's Monument.
Down a long dirt road we drove to this place, and we don't know what to expect.
Keeping an eye out for birds.
You'll see.
Boyfriends. Oh.
Ah, Tobermory. The coolest stuff to look at. This butterfly is called the White Admiral. It is found also in Eurasia. Just so you know.
Devil's Monument here.
The Devil's Monument was constructed from waves and wind and all sorts of crazy weather, eroding the softer rocks around it. And when all that was eroded, only the hard rocks remained.
Now we got a bird here. What's that bird, John?
That's a red-eyed Vero.
Red-eyed Veros are known to sing their song for longer than any other bird. They'll sing for up to 18 hours straight.
Whoa!
Are you in the waterfall?
Those are some pretty wicked waterfalls just coming straight out of the rock.
Waterfall!
Wonder how fresh that shit is. I know I'm pretty fresh.
About time.
Woo!
Well, that's a cool shot.
Now we're at the bottom of the cliff here.
At the rock beach.
This is Georgian Bay. The water's super clear.
Clear, clear, clear.
And it's a beautiful day. I'm a fucking bird.
There's some juncos. They look worn out. Probably just flew across Georgian Bay here and landed on the tip.
We'll see enough of those in the wintertime.
Hell yeah! Very common feeder bird in the winter.
The Caribbean blue water of Tobermory. Gotta love it.
Bird Bros! Bird Bros! Show me your butts.
We love you. Share, like, and subscribe.